In this video, I'm going to show you how you can collect the email address, number, or questions answered by people who request to join your Facebook group. Now, the first thing that you need to have is a Facebook group. If you don't have one, go and create one. So after you create your group, you'll be able to see the membership questions section here. Now, you need to click on that. After that, if you don't have existing questions, you'll be able to create a new one from here. Okay. So for now, I'm going to delete one just so you can see how it works. Now click on create and type in your questions, and then you can have different multiple types of answers, and click on add option if you're using checkbox. If you want them to enter a written answer, you can do that and click on save. Now your question is saved. Now you have set up the 3 questions here. Now, what you have to remember is when you set up these questions, one of it need to be a question asking for email address from your user. So here you can see I'm asking for the email address. You can also change this option to ask them for their phone number if you want, and then people would be able to enter this and save it. So here I can say enter your number and click on save, and people would be able to enter their number. So right after you do this, what you need to do is you need to copy the link of your Facebook group. So it's going to look something like this: facebook.com/group/growth notes permalink. So if you haven't set up permalink inside your group settings, go to group settings and change the web address right here and save it. Okay. Make sure to change your settings to match these. Who can join the group? Only profiles. Who can approve members? Only admins and moderators. Who is pre-approved to join? Nobody. After you do this, copy your group link, and we'll be using software called Group Notes. Open the dashboard, and under Group Manager, you'll be able to add a group. Now click on Add New and paste the group URL. Paste the group URL that you copied and click on Next. I'll be doing this because I have already added this inside my system. So what I'll do is I'll come and edit this. So after you add a group, you'd be able to see something like this. You'd be able to enter the title, then you click on approve user and tag. This just means which tag will be assigned to a user when you approve them. Decline user tag means which tag will be assigned if you decline. So when people request to join your Facebook group and they don't answer the questions, you just decline them. Here you can automatically send them a welcome message with their first name and personalization. And also using this software, you'd be able to mention them in a welcome post. So if you have a Facebook, it's important that you go inside the Facebook group and set a welcome post that explains what your Facebook group is about. Instead of every single time when people join, instead of making a post inside Facebook welcoming them and disturbing other people, what you can do is make a welcome post, and when people join your Facebook group, tag them under this post so the existing people inside this group don't get disturbed. Okay. Then what you can do is you can also paste a webhook URL and send this data to Google Sheet. And from there, you can send it to any autoresponder you want to send multiple email sequence to nurture the lead and to make them aware of the product and the services that you sell. Also, inside this software, let's say if you are handling a big group, what you can do is you can create a team here, and then you can switch to that team, and then you can assign these options. So assign the approved user to the team who approve it. Let's say inside your business, you use appointment setters to go and talk to the people who request to join your Facebook group. What you can do is you can add them inside the software, and then when they approve the user to join the group, they will be assigned to this tag. So you know who approved it, and you can track all the details here. And if the team member, let's say if a team member inside your organization has already assigned to this lead, then even if somebody else accepts it, it won't be assigned to them. Now you can click on update and save this. Now I'll show you how you can generate this webhook URL so you can send this data to Google Sheet, and from there you can send this to different autoresponder software that you want. Create a new spreadsheet and name it as group or whatever you like. Then after this, you need to go inside extension and then click on add-ons and click on get add-ons. Inside here, you'll be able to find an add-on called Webhook. So this is the add-on that you're looking for. Click on that and then install it. I have already done it, so I'm going to close this. So after you install, make sure to refresh this sheet so you can see this icon right here. Now click on the icon and it will show you a new tab on the right side. Now click on select this sheet. So if you're saving this to sheet 1 or sheet 2, make sure to pick the right one. Enable a timestamp if you want and click on create. It says reload the spreadsheet again, and let's do what they say. Click reload. Then let's open it again. Now click on next. Webhook authentication pending. Let's see what's happening. So here, click on webhook custom. Okay, so it says to click on this menu, click on authorize. Yeah, okay. Now click on, it's asking you to log in with your account. Okay, it's done. Let's click on next. Okay, so this is your webhook URL. All you have to do is copy the entire thing and come inside here and paste it and update. Now let's go back inside our Facebook group and there is a section called member request. When you click on it, you'd be able to see the list of people that has requested to join your Facebook group. Make sure inside the extension, you have enabled the show tags or this icon won't appear. So if this icon appears, it just means it's integrated well and ready to go. And as soon as you approve a member, what's going to happen is, so as soon as you approve a member, this data would be saved here. So for the demo purpose, I'm going to approve this person. Click on approve. It's added to the contacts, approved to the group, mention them in welcome post. It's going to send them a message and the webhook will be triggered. Okay, so let's go. So that person has been approved. I'll come back to the extension, click on group manager and open my Facebook group. And here I can see that person. I don't have the email because this person hasn't responded with an email to the question. This is why I say if people don't respond to your question, don't accept them. Okay. If you look here, the data of Hassan is here. I have blurred out the email address of other people in this column so they don't get. So you can see here the person that we approved is right here. And if the email is here, it's going to be shown here. But the thing is, he hasn't entered the email, so we can't get the data. So this is how we collect the email address and number of the people that request to join your Facebook group. So make sure to like this video, comment down what do you think. If you felt confused somewhere, comment down below. If you have further questions, comment down below and I'll reply to it. Make sure to subscribe to this channel. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel. I'll be creating more videos on how you can use Facebook, how you can get clients using organic marketing. So when you get time, make sure to join our Facebook group, Growth Notes. We'll be dropping more videos in there too. So that's it for this video. I'll be seeing you in the next one.